Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Gurdaspur location. It is from Punjab. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for area manager, debt management services consumer. Coming to the required qualifications and experience, like people management skills, demonstrated success and achievement orientation, and the candidates should have excellent communication skills and negotiation skills, strong bias for action and driving results in a high performance environment, and demonstrated ability to lead from the front and excellent relationship skills. And the candidates should be affirmative in nature, strong leadership skills, clarity of thought and perseverance, and exceptionally high motivation levels, and needs to be a self-starter and working knowledge of computers. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Wise Enterprises. They are looking for back office executive. Coming to the requirements for this job role, like bachelor's degree in business administration or a similar field is preferred, previous work experience as an office executive, and excellent organizational skills, knowledge of computer operating systems and MS Office software, and working knowledge of CRM platforms, and ability to work as part of a team, and high levels of written and verbal communicational skills, and basic knowledge of financial and accounting software, and familiarity with market research techniques. These are some requirements for this job role. Coming to the job type, it will be a full time and walk in, and salary will be 7,000 plus to 15,000 plus per month. And coming to the education required, like bachelor's degree is preferred, and total work experience like 1 year is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available for IELTS trainer or counselor in Study Educational and English Planet, and they are looking for female candidates. Coming to the qualifications, like graduation or post graduation, and communicational skills must require, and English speaking skills are required, and freshers and experienced candidates both can apply for this job role. And coming to the job type, it will be a full time, and freshers also eligible for this job role, and the salary will be 15 to 25,000 per month, and the schedule will be it is a day shift job role, and they will pay joining bonus. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in V Connect Associates. They are looking for sales CAC banking. Coming to the job description, like to introduce acquire new CASA customers in the identify segment, and reference generation from the specified catchment, to ensure sourcing of quality accounts in terms of product mix, segments and constitution mix, and to ensure initial customer hand holdings, right advice to customer for product and documentation, opening A to C within, attack familiarize customers with the branch service RM and process, and monitor welcome kit delivery and follow up for repeat funding and use of account for business transactions. And some more information is also given here, and you please check once. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for executive rural gold loans. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, like to achieve given sales notes through customer walk-in and work closely with the branch service executives to drive goal on customers for fulfillment and ensuring policy adherence and meeting compliance requirement, tracking approval rate and other critical SLA deliverables for goal on product, supporting assay in operations or documentation. These are some job duties and key responsibilities. And coming to the required qualifications and experience, like the candidates should be a graduate with 1 to 3 years of relevant experience and knowledge of cross-sell, and the candidates should have good selling skills and good interpersonal skills are required. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available for manual test engineer in Xenta QS Technologies Private Limited. Coming to the requirements and qualifications, like ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, ability to work in a fast-paced environment with minimal supervision, sense of ownership and pride in your performance and its impacts on company's success, and critical thinker and problem solving skills, team player and good time management skills, and great interpersonal and communicational skills. These are requirements and qualifications for the candidates. Coming to the skills required, like write and execute test cases, ensuring complete coverage of the functionality or application under test, and skilled with UI testing to check navigation, formatting, colors, and font of the text, scrolls, images, etc. These are some skills required for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in sales Drishti Gems. They are looking for sales and marketing executive. Coming to the requirements, like the candidates should have good communicational skills and have good knowledge of marketing skills, and candidates have minimum 3 to 4 years of work experience in sales. Males or females both can apply for this job role. And coming to the salary, it will be from 15 to 25,000 per month, and the candidates should have education like higher secondary is preferred. And coming to the experience required, like the candidates should have experience in these ones for 1 year is preferred, and language English is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.